I wish I could have catch that. Yeah, you just poke yourself?
Yeah.
Nice. He always gets himself hurt. You're gonna have to wear a helmet. Safety. Nicodemus is #1 priority. Ouch! I cut myself. Do you see that rabbit?
Where?
Do you see it?
Yeah.
Right there.
I see it.
It's okay, we're not here for rabbits. What are we here for?
Take the curtain airbags off.
Okay, cool. And I see you got some tools. Is that what you're gonna use?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Let's start. So please explain to our viewers what do we have inside.
Okay, so
Tell them everything about curtain airbags. Do you know where?
the curtain airbag, right?
Yeah, so this is the curtain airbags.
Yep.
And what do we have here?
Where?
It's pretty long. I mean, starting all the way from here. And watch this, guys. It goes all the way to the back, all the way right here. And this is the explosive thing right here. This way. So what do they use them for?
In like a situation when you crash, right?
Okay.
And they just explode for you not to hit the door or anything.
Or the glass, right? Or like the side pillar right here.
Yeah.
So they would explode, and they would explode down right here to the bottom. And that usually needs to happen before your head hits the door. So looks like, you know, we have 2 of them. And like always, see on 2 sides right here.
Yeah.
We're gonna show you guys how we pull them out, how Nicodemus is pulling them out, and we're gonna list them where?
eBay store.
In our eBay store, in a link down below. We have the link there, so you can just go ahead. We have some glass, Nicodemus, right here. So we're gonna have to, I'll help you push the glass out so you can get those bolts or the impact. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Grab an impact and let's start unscrewing. We have a lot of bolts. Okay, he's always tightening the bolts. Never, he forgets all the time.
Now we just unscrewed all of these bolts. We just need a 10 millimeters, I don't know, socket. And there's like 2 bolts over here. I'm gonna do that. I'm done unscrewing the airbag. I'm gonna keep on going here.
safety, Nicodem, is #1 priority.
Okay, I let my dad like unscrew these 2 bolts because the glass is in my way.
Yeah, I'm gonna use this piece of wood just to push the glass, see, like this, just to push it away, so I can actually get the impact. And we have 2 bolts right here. 1. Ouch! I cut myself. There you go. Hopefully. No, that was just the glass. Just a little bit. Nothing serious. Oh, I have 1 more.
Okay.
Okay, so there we go. Now we're done with this. And I'm gonna show you how we remove this. Just pretty much simply. It has this little pin. Again, show us. It has some little pins like this.
Okay.
They first go inside into the metal. No, lift them up, and comes out very easy. See?
So where's our orange?
The orange. So we have 2. We have a little hose. Do you know what this hose is for?
No, electricity?
No, for the sunroof.
Oh.
But that's gonna be our next episode. We're gonna show you guys how to take the sunroof down, and let's see if Nicodem can figure this out. Nice, good job, good job. See, this is why you need homeschool. Then you have to press it down.
Always homeschool.
Always homeschool. Let's go. 1 more part.
Oh, okay.
You forgot? Look at that. Look at that boy. Okay, good. So, okay, let's go. Let's do a second one. Let's see what he learned. So you're just lifting a little bit up. What I was trying to show you guys is this. See this an airbag on the bracket, there's a little pin like this, goes inside, slides down.
I saw it. Don't keep it.
Okay, and 1 more airbag. He always gets himself hurt. You're gonna have to wear a helmet inside the.
You should count how many times he got hurt.
I don't know why you're getting hurt.
Ooh.
And 1 more. I like the way he's doing it. It's really nice. He knows what he's doing. You need to press first. Yeah, you just poke yourself.
Yeah.
Nice. See? Wow. And 1 more. And we have a tool for that too. Did you know that?
Oh, I did it with my hands.
Yeah, but we have a tool.
Okay. Where's?
Right there.
You said that you have to put it.
From the bottom. From the bottom. From the bottom. From the bottom. Okay. Take it over there. I'm gonna wrap you with the curtain airbags. We'll see how they sell on our in our inventory on eBay. If not, one day we'll do some popping. Pop, 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 pop. I don't want to say exploding, but explosions, pops. We'll just pop them. We can pop. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool to watch how the airbags explode. Well, Nicodem. Okay. So guys, this is airbags right here. As you remember, we have this was bolted to the body of the car. This is the explosive thing right here. That will be cool. Let me know in the comments below if you guys would want to see what's inside the airbag, what's inside here. This is just a material. The rest is just a material, very strong material that will inflate because of this. So you can, this is right side airbag.
Let me guess. This is left side airbag. I didn't even see
That's
it.
the left side?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's, there you go. So guys, in comments below, let me know if you guys want to see. I wish I could have catch that. So let me know in comments below if you guys want to see one of the airbags. Oh, you know, I have a lot of Lexus airbags that I can actually open and show you guys what's inside. But I want to see that in comments. The request should be in comments. Otherwise, I will not do that. So let me know and we'll see what we can do with that. That's it for today. And Nicodemus always have last words to say.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and comment down below, guys. The first 10 comments, we're gonna do a raffle. So please comment down below on all the Porsche videos. And bye.
Did you see that rabbit?
No, I didn't.
Go to work.